In a world where change is the only constant, AI is at the forefront of a revolution that's reshaping what's possible. It's already transformed industries in ways that once seemed like science fiction. But in the near future, AI will become much more advanced. Join us as we embark on a journey to uncover the groundbreaking AI technologies that will redefine tomorrow and beyond. Fasten your seatbelts, and let's go into the future. Number 1. AI-powered brain-computer interface, BCI. Imagine being able to control a video game just by thinking about it, or someone with a spinal injury moving a robotic arm using their thoughts. That's where BCIs come into play. They're like sci-fi becoming reality, creating a bridge between our brains and computers. Now integrate AI into the BCI, and you've got a system that not only reads brain waves, but also understands them better over time. This means prosthetics could become more responsive. And it's not all fun and games, there's serious stuff too. Healthcare could see a revolution with BCIs helping people with disabilities communicate or regain control over their bodies. Plus, think about the possibilities in mental health, with AI detecting patterns that might indicate a seizure before it happens. Number 2. Microchips and human augmentations. When we talk about microchips and human augmentations, we're venturing into a realm where the boundaries between human capabilities and technology blur. These microchips, tiny as they are, could be the key to unlocking superhuman abilities. Take cognitive abilities, for instance. With the advanced microchips, our brains could process information at lightning speeds, learn new languages in a snap, or multitask without the usual drop in performance. It's like having a mental accelerator pedal, and AI is the engine that makes it run smoothly, learning from our neural patterns to optimize the chip's functions. Physically, the implications are just as profound. We've seen the concept in movies like Blade Runner, where artificial humans possess extraordinary strength and agility. While we're not quite at the stage of creating replicants, we are developing exoskeletons that give us a taste of that enhanced physical prowess. These AI-powered suits can adapt to the wearer's movements, providing tailored support and strength. In the military, these exoskeletons are more than just prototypes, they're becoming a part of the modern soldier's arsenal. They're designed to carry heavy gear over long distances without fatigue, and with AI integration, they can learn and adapt to different terrains and situations, making soldiers more effective on the battlefield. Number 3. Nanobots. Picture this, robots so small, they can zip around your bloodstream, fixing things like a microscopic repair crew. These little guys are nanobots, and they're a big deal in AI technology. So, how do they work? Well, nanobots are designed to be super small, often smaller than a cell, and they can move around and do tasks at this tiny scale. They can be controlled by external stimuli, like magnetic fields or chemical signals. The potential of nanobots is immense. Imagine you're fighting a serious disease. Instead of taking a pill that affects your whole body, you've got these AI nanobots that go straight to the problem area and deliver the medicine right where it's needed. This means less medicine used, fewer side effects, and a faster recovery. But wait, there's more. Nanobots aren't just about healthcare. They're also taking on environmental challenges. Picture a swarm of nanobots cleaning up oil spills or removing toxins from water. They can get into places humans can't and do the dirty work without putting anyone at risk. In the industrial world, they can help build things at a super small scale, which is perfect for making tiny electronics or new materials that are stronger and lighter than anything we've got now. Number 4. GPT-5. GPT-5 is not just another step up, it's a giant leap towards what we call artificial general intelligence, or AGI. That's the point where AI starts to think and understand like a human across any task. So, what's the big deal with GPT-5? In terms of communication, GPT-5 could be a game changer. With GPT-5, you could have a chat with someone on the other side of the world, and the AI would handle not just the language translation, but also the cultural translation, making sure nothing gets lost in the mix. Creativity is another frontier where GPT-5 shines. Imagine an AI that can brainstorm with you, coming up with ideas that are out of the box and yet make perfect sense. Whether it's writing a novel, composing music, or coming up with a business strategy, GPT-5's creative prowess could be your secret weapon. And when it comes to problem solving, it can sift through mountains of data, spot patterns that no human could see, and come up with solutions that are both innovative and practical. But here's the kicker: GPT-5 isn't just smart, it's also incredibly adaptable. It can learn from its interactions, getting better over time. This means the more you use it, the more it tunes into your specific needs and preferences. Number 5. Quantum computing. Quantum computing is like stepping into a parallel universe where the rules of classical computing don't apply. Instead of bits, which are like on-off switches, quantum computing uses qubits. These qubits are super special because they can exist in multiple states at once, a phenomenon known as superposition. With superposition and another quantum element called entanglement, where qubits can be mysteriously linked together no matter the distance, quantum computers can process and analyze data at an unprecedented scale. Now, mix AI with quantum computing, and you've got a massive powerhouse. AI is already a whiz at learning from data and making decisions. But with the speed and complexity that quantum computing brings to the table, AI can operate on a whole new level. We're talking about solving complex problems in seconds that would take traditional computers thousands of years. This quantum leap could revolutionize everything from drug discovery to climate change modeling. In medicine, quantum computers could simulate how drugs interact with the body at a molecular level, leading to breakthroughs in treatments and cures. They could also help design new materials with properties we can barely imagine right now. Number 6. AI smart cities. Remember those futuristic urban landscapes you've seen in movies? AI smart cities are like that. These cities are powered by artificial intelligence to make urban living more efficient, sustainable, and enjoyable. Let's break down what makes a city smart and how AI is the key player in this transformation. At the heart of AI smart cities is data, lots of it. Sensors and IoT devices collect data on everything from traffic flow to energy usage. AI takes this data and turns it into actionable insights. For example, it can optimize traffic lights in real time to reduce congestion or adjust energy grids to lower consumption during off-peak hours. Urban planning gets a high-tech upgrade with AI. Planners can simulate different development scenarios to see potential impacts before any concrete is poured. This means better decision-making for housing, public spaces, and transportation networks, leading to cities that are not just built but engineered for the future. Traffic management is another area where AI makes a big difference. By analyzing traffic in real time, AI can predict bottlenecks and suggest alternative routes. This doesn't just save time, it also reduces emissions and improves air quality. Some cities are even experimenting with AI to manage public transportation, making it more reliable and user-friendly. Adding to this, autonomous vehicles are a key feature of AI smart cities. They integrate seamlessly with the city's AI infrastructure, using real-time data to navigate safely and efficiently. The AI in these vehicles uses sensor information to plan routes and drive smoothly without needing a human intervention. This technology is not just a concept, it's already being implemented in various sectors, including agriculture, transportation, and the military, and is rapidly approaching widespread use in everyday life for consumers. Autonomous vehicles promise to enhance safety, increase fuel efficiency, and provide comfort and convenience, reshaping the landscape of urban mobility. Number 7. Starlink Internet. Starlink is like a constellation of stars, but instead of celestial bodies, we're talking about a network of satellites blanketing the Earth. The mission? To beam down high-speed internet to every nook and cranny of the planet. It's ambitious, sure, but with a company like SpaceX behind it, it's more when than if. Now, imagine you're in the most remote part of the world, where the internet is not available. Starlink swoops in, and voila, you're connected at speeds that rival urban hotspots. This isn't just about scrolling through social media, it's about opening doors to education, healthcare, and economic opportunities that were previously out of reach. But here's where it gets really interesting. AI devices, from smart tractors to remote sensors, need the internet to work their best. Starlink could be the solution these devices need, keeping them always connected, always learning, and always ready to make data-driven decisions. This means farmers can improve crop yields, scientists can track climate change, and first responders can organize disaster relief efforts, all in real time. And let's not forget about unmanned vehicles. We're talking drones delivering packages to remote islands, autonomous rovers exploring uncharted territories, and even self-driving cars navigating the outbacks. Starlink's internet could be the link that connects all these autonomous systems, allowing them to communicate, navigate, and operate smoothly, no matter where they are. The upcoming AI innovations are truly game-changing. They're not just about cool new tech, they will be transforming our world, boosting what we can do, and opening up amazing new possibilities. If you've made it this far in the video, drop the word AI in the comment to let us know you already received the information. To stay relevant in the age of AI, check out other videos from our channel. Don't forget to subscribe. And see you in the next video.